Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to tell you how to connect or disconnect on Discord servers. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. Just directly go to your Discord app from the phone or from any other device. After clicking on the app, go to the channel, voice or text, any channel, but make sure you're going to the general. As I click on general, go to join voice and you're connected to this server, but your mic is mute and your speakers are also muted. Now to disconnect from the app, go to general and after that click on the cross call tab at the bottom right and you'll automatically be disconnected from the server. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video or if the video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new video for you. Thank you.